So in this routine, I'm going to show you some morning stretches for beginners that you can do in 5 minutes. If you enjoyed the video and you found it useful, then like the video. And when you're ready, then let's get to it. So you're going to start with your feet together, hip distance apart and pointing to the front. So first we're going to do some arm circles. So inhale, let's bring the arms up towards that ceiling. As you exhale, you're just going to circle them back. So it's nothing too crazy. Just do whatever feels good. We're just mobilizing the shoulder here. Inhale to come up and exhale to come back. And exhale. Let's reverse. Let's come all the way back behind you and bring it all in front. And exhale. Last one. Perfect. Give your shoulders a good little shake. So we're going to come and bring our arms up towards that ceiling. We're going to reach your arms up as high as you can towards that ceiling. Make sure that your ribs don't flare so you're not arching your lower back. And exhale, let's relax. And again, let's reach as high as you can up towards that ceiling. And let's bring it back. Last one, reach. Lengthen the back of the neck. And let's relax. Good, so now you're gonna open up your arms so they're a little bit wider than before. And you're gonna reach your arms up, nod your chin to chest. And now as you exhale, you're gonna slowly start to peel down. Peel away from that imaginary wall behind you. You're going to start to flex your spine, bone by bone. And let your body hang nice and heavy. Now in this position, it's too tight. Then bend your knees so you have a little more space for your hamstrings. Let your arms hang heavy. Breathe in here. Lovely. On your next exhale, let's slowly roll up. So breathe into your back body. Exhale, let's start to peel up. Restack your spine up nice and slow. Upper back, you're going to reach your arms up towards that ceiling. Open them up and lift your chest up high. So now we're coming into a little bit of an extension. And close the arms. Let's roll back down. Inhale here, nod your chin. Exhale, let's slowly come all the way down. Now if you just want to sway from side to side, let your spine kind of hang nice and heavy. Good. Relax the arms, take a big breath in. And exhale, let's roll up nice and slow. Lift your chest up towards that ceiling, open up your arms. Take a big breath in. And as you exhale, let's bring it back to center. We're just going to come all the way over to your left-hand side. So you're going to lift this rib up towards that ceiling to get a nice whole side of body stretch. Press into your feet. Let's bring it all the way over to the opposite side. So let's lift this rib up. And let's bring it over to the opposite side. Good, let's bring it all the way over to the opposite side. From here, we're going to semicircle all the way down towards that floor. Now here you can bend your knees if you like. Let's semicircle all the way up towards the ceiling. So do this as slowly as you can. And reverse. Let's come all the way over to the side. Now let's circle all the way down. Over to the opposite side. Just really enjoy the side body stretch. One more on each side. And let's come all the way over. Last one. We're going to lift our right leg up towards our hip. And we're just going to, if you need help, grab the side of the wall. You're just going to open up your knees to the side. Bring it back down. And again, let's lift all the way up. And exhale, come all the way out. So we're just going to do one side. Think about pressing into your feet. You're trying to open up that hip here. Last one. Perfect. Bring it back to center. We're going to do the opposite side. So let's lift it up as high as you can. Then slowly bring it over, open it up. Lower it back down, and again. And back. Last one. Bring it all the way back. Perfect. You're going to hinge your hips back towards the wall behind you. So you're going to try and keep your knees on top of your ankles here. Place your hands on top of your knees. And here you want to make sure your spine is nice and straight. So push your hands away from your knees here. So the space between your ears and shoulder. And your spine is straight. So if you find yourself like this, try and untuck your tailbone so that it's in a nice straight line. Inhale here. You're going to tilt your pubic bone towards your belly button. Exhale to come back. And again. Inhale, tilt that pubic bone. Exhale to come back. Last one. On your next one, let's tilt your pubic bone towards your belly button. As you exhale, let's start to round your spine up nice and slow. Then slowly unwind. Start from your tailbone, middle back, head last. Lengthen the back of the neck. And again, let's tilt our pubic bone towards the belly button. Exhale, let's start to round. Then slowly unwind. Last one. You're going to flex your spine. And then you're going to just let your arms hang nice and heavy all the way down. And slowly roll all the way up. Bring your arms out in front of you. We're going to open up our arms and rotate all the way back behind us. So make sure you follow your hand with your eyes here. Bring it all the way back. Over to the opposite side. Hopefully you have a little bit more space than me. Bring it all the way back. Open it up. So you want to try and keep your hip bones nice and square to the front and back. Last one. And over. Relax your arms by your side. Take a deep breath in and let's roll the shoulders forward and up towards your ears. And then exhale, let's come all the way back. And again, inhale to come forward and up. And exhale, let's circle them all the way back. Inhale through your nose. And exhale. Lengthen the back of the neck. I hope you guys enjoyed that 5-minute routine. If you did, then like the video. And if you want more routines like this to strengthen your core, improve your posture, work on your mobility, then subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in the next one.